Hello, my name is Foreman Fred and I am the Chief Content Assistant at Construction Links Network, the only peer-to-peer digital content sharing platform for the construction, building and design community. Welcome to dispatch number 98. This dispatch highlights the news, blog shares, announcements and videos shared on the Construction Links Network over the past week. Currently there are 7,958 searchable news items, articles and blogs published on the Construction Links Network platform and 1,376 videos in the online video gallery for your viewing pleasure, including Bodak to be showcased at IDS Toronto 2023. Interior Design Show launched its theme for 2023 Moving Parts, Design for a Complex World. Bodak Interior Film Booth number is 810. Our representatives will hold live demonstrations of the product installation. They will be happy to assist everyone interested in the architectural finishes. Read the blog and learn more on bodak.com. Ontario's Blue Door. Construct announced as one of the winners at Procore's 2022 Groundbreaker Awards. Procore Technologies announced the winners of the 2022 Groundbreaker Awards at Procore's Groundbreak. Blue Door. Construct from Ontario took home the Excellence in Community Award. Learn more on procore.com. The dangers of using multiple apps. The use of multiple software applications to manage a business has become more popular over the years. At first, the benefits may seem obvious, with more features and better functionality than any one application could presumably provide by itself. However, there are many potential downsides to using too many applications. Read the blog and learn more on tracer.com. The definition and role of MEP in construction. Due to the large and complex nature of construction projects, specialized workers are required to fulfill various building and design concepts. As such, projects involve working with many different kinds of professionals. Coordinating work becomes a task in itself, which is where MEP comes in. Read the blog and learn more on gobridget.com. Leadership lessons from a dishwasher. If you scold someone every time they fail, they'll be more afraid to try the next time. Watch the video and learn more on nesbittraining.ca. Rooftop Safety Compliance Part 2: Creating a Safe Working Environment on Your Roof. While working on rooftops, safety is a priority. With advancements in infrastructure and the need for businesses to evolve their physical space, commercial roofs across the country are becoming crowded. During part 2 of this webinar, our rooftop safety expert will be focusing on how to ensure a safe and hazard-free rooftop environment. Learn more and access the webinar on skylinegroupintl.com. Construction leaders advocate for urgent policy changes to rebuild Canada's construction workforce. Representatives from the Canadian construction sector are calling on the federal government to make changes to modernize Canada's immigration policy and update the temporary foreign worker program in order to address the most severe labor shortage Canada has faced in more than 50 years. Learn more on cca-acc.com. Procore appoints Olga Kobyler as Chief People Officer. Most recently, Kobyler served as Chief People Officer at Five9, leading all aspects of the human resources function. Prior to Five9, she served as Vice President of Talent Services at DocuSign and was integral in leading the company through a growth strategy, which focused on building a diverse team and inclusive culture across 20 countries. Learn more on procore.com. Fall protection and working at heights. Slapstick comedy was a staple of entertainment for centuries before Max Sennett, Charlie Chaplin, and the Three Stooges made their marks. It lives on today through the likes of Jim Carrey and Jackie Chan. Although pratfalls can draw some of the loudest laughs on stage or screen, any fall in a workplace setting is a great cause for concern. Read the article and learn more on keysafety.ca. IAPMO seeks public input on Manual of Recommended Practice for Toilet Room Design. Created by one of several task groups formed through the IAPMO Technical Services Group, this manual addresses all gender toilet room design. Those who follow proposed code changes in the plumbing and mechanical sector are aware of recent actions advancing language addressing all gender restrooms. Learn more on iapmo.org. Electrical contractor Hool to manage hybrid workplaces and distributed teams with Procore. The Procore construction management platform will empower Hool to provide a centralized source of information for its project and administration teams, which enjoys a hybrid work environment at its offices in British Columbia with staff distributed across BC, Alberta and internationally. Learn more on Procore.com. 5 ways Stack's construction management tools will revolutionize your workflow. No one would ever claim that construction management is an easy job. But there's no reason to make a tough job even harder when tools exist to help, and that's where Stack's construction management platform comes in. Read the blog and learn more on stackct.com. Cooper Equipment Rentals achieves core certification across Ontario locations. Cooper Equipment Rentals is pleased to announce its successful completion of the Certificate of Recognition in Ontario as administered by the Infrastructure Health and Safety Association. Over the past 5 years, Cooper has adapted their health and safety policies and procedures nationwide to achieve core certifications in Alberta, British Columbia, and Ontario. Learn more on cooperequipment.ca. The CISC expresses their deepest sympathies for the passing of Hugh A. Krentz. Hugh A. Krentz has been instrumental in making Canadian buildings and bridges safer and stronger. He has drawn on 50 years of experience as an engineer in the steel and construction industries to develop more efficient, safe and sound building codes and standards, which are now in use in Canada and around the world. Learn more on CISC-ICCA.ca. Winners announced at 22nd CISC Quebec Awards of Excellence Gala. On Thursday, October 27, 2022, the Canadian Institute of Steel Construction Quebec Region celebrated the 22nd anniversary of the Steel Construction Awards of Excellence at the Palace Convention Centre, offering a welcome cocktail and a gourmet buffet to a full house of guests. Learn more on CISC-ICCA.ca. Winners announced for CISC Ontario Awards for Excellence in Steel Construction 2022. On Thursday, November 10, 2022, the Canadian Institute of Steel Construction Ontario held the CISC Ontario Awards for Excellence in Steel Construction at Hotel X, at the Princess's Gates Ballroom, Exhibition Place in Toronto, offering a welcome cocktail and a gourmet buff to a full house of guests. Learn more on CISC-ICCA.ca. That wraps up this dispatch. I'm Foreman Fred. Thanks for watching.